What else we got left in that machine? Oop, oop. Don't go swimming. Oh, we got plenty. Ow, ow, ow. Plus, I got my first shingles vaccine, and I'll tell you what, that hurts. It hurt while they were giving it to me, and it hurt so far 3 days afterwards. Okay, so my neighbor was kind enough to lend me his floating dock again. I had to go over and get it. That was a major project. But I think what I'm going to do is move it so that it's long ways against those two pilings there. Mix up the cement, which I just got back from Lowe's, with another 15 bags. That's probably 4 and 4 is 8. Maybe not 8. We'll see. And 8 is 16. I don't know. We'll see how it works out. But anyway, so that's the plan. I'm going to say. So the platform is finally ready to go. And then when I get these two done, I can move it up and do similar up there. And then I'll set my my brackets in the wet cement and lay out my stringers, my rafters, and they'll probably be all I can get done today, but that's actually a lot, so I'm pooped. Okay, and just as a side note, I got the white cap for that piling over there. That keeps the water off of it, keeps the birds off of it, and it just makes the post last a little longer, I guess. So that's what we got going on there. All right. I wanted to mention this is a, I don't know why I've never noticed these things before. This happens to be a it has a quick disconnect on it, but this is a stainless steel hose, and I gotta say, I just love these things. I got two of them now, and I'm gonna probably get a couple more. They're 50 feet. Here's the deal. This is the good stuff and the bad stuff about them. They're good in that they're very easy to handle. They don't kink. They don't get all balled up in a mess. They don't fight you when you try to coil them. It's just like magical, that part of it. The only bad part of it is that they only come, this is a 1/2 inch, and the tube inside is probably smaller, so they don't carry a lot of water, but it's fine for gardening, washing the car, mixing cement, which of course I'm doing a lot of, because, you know, that's the water that you get. It's fine, you know, for the things that I just mentioned. But what they're not good for is like filling swimming pools, putting out forest fires, you know, that type of shit. Maybe they are, because this will protect at least some of, you know, protect the interior, whatever. This is just a jacket on the outside. So anyway, it's just something I wanted to mention because I love the things. I bought two for myself. I also bought one for my sister, but I'm going to probably buy some more for myself also. Anyway, that's where we are. This is something else I wanted to mention, in case I hadn't filmed it already, but this is an 80-pound bag of cement, and you'll notice that there's a cap that goes over the end of the bag. This little arrow here points to what they call the vent. There's an air pocket in here so that any compression on the thing will allow the bag to breathe a little bit. But the important thing is, when you open these things, you don't need a knife. If you're going to open the end anyway, if you don't need a knife, you just grab a hold of this tab and you rip off this outer jacket as much as you want. And this is just a reinforcement jacket. And let me see if I can do this. I'm trying to hold you. And then this just tears very easily to expose the cement on the inside of the bag. This is a could be a funnel if you want to do it that way. And you can tear this off, and you can open the bag all the way up to the, you know, all the way to the back, which is what I'm going to do, because I'm dumping the whole thing into the mixer and then adding water. So, but you see how easy that was, and I didn't need a knife, I didn't need whatever. It's all right here. So that's another little tip for you in the event that you have to mix up cement or whatever, open these bags. The other way that they talk about, which I've never done, but it's fine, you can actually, you take maybe I'll show you in a little bit, but you lay a 2x4 or something with a little bit of height and some strength down. You lay the bag over the thing in the middle, and then you open the top of the bag. That gives you two 40-pound halves that you can then manage much more easily. So
I like
So, I think you and I were born in the same year.
that.
I think you and I were born in the same year,
Yes.
1955.
68.
Oh, you're younger than me.
Yeah. Either from 65, 64. No work. Yeah, time.
Good for you.
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, good.
I'm interested in getting the brackets into the cement today because I've had it. I can't do anymore. But the brackets have to go in while the cement's still wet, which is okay because it's still wet. And then, but they need to be spaced and correct. And then tomorrow I can finish putting the structure in when I'm a little bit fresher. So.